And a couple years ago, so here's where it gets interesting, guys. A couple years ago, they kind of had an advantage with that because who knows what cement costs, right? I don't know what cement costs. I don't know what I don't know like what it costs to install a window, right? But now we live in the age of AI. All those answers are quickly available to us, right? All those answers in a structured reply with citations are now available to all of us, right? So that's essentially what I want to do here. I love the answer that ChatGPT gave us for the model. So now let's focus on the complex model where I will go back to more of the fact pattern and say, well, they had this much wood floors. They had these many windows. There were this number of showers, so on and so forth. Right? Now we're talking about something that's going to be a lot more like itemized, much more of a construction report. So let's start working on that. I'm going to work on it here in this same window because I don't want to lose the context of everything that ChatGPT 03 in this case has already learned, right? So let's do that. Do you like this personality? Yes, I do. It's giving good answers. Okay, so let's build on that. Diffio says maybe don't tell it that the output was great. Okay, I think I understand your rationale for that, Diffio. Yeah, because yeah, I appreciate where you're going with that. Thank you. The format sucked and it's not getting better fast enough. Yeah, the formatting was not great, but don't let that be an impediment to progress, right?